birthday, so we don't know whether they left these cookies for me or not.
I mean for you, for us.
Look at him, no, for me. Who are you?
I'm clearly like a growing boy, like I have to eat more.
These are for me, right? Should I? Okay, I'm not hungry.
What's up? It's your boy Nick again. I'm hijacking Yula's vlog because I'm obviously better at making content than she is. Someone forgot her glasses, and so we are
At Target trying to find me something that I can wear and not be blinded by sun in Miami.
Yeah, so our target is to find glasses at Target. Wish us luck, and I'll see you the next time.
Don't even try. This is my vlog.
You touch my trolala.
His face is like, what the fuck do you want? And there is no one here.
Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body so sweet, sweet, sweet.
Okay. $27.
27. Also, Alberto.
He's my favorite.
My needs are satisfied.
Perhaps. Perhaps. Well, I can't complain.
Yeah.
I don't have a children, and I'm young, and I'm happy, and I'm traveling. I guess I am satisfied very much. I mean, there is only one thing that annoys me all the time. Here it is. But so we just finished our zoo excursion, and we have 1 hour before our next activity, so we decided to have like a pre-dinner. We came to the sushi place, and then at the evening we have something really special. When I got approved for my visa, my friend asked me how I want to celebrate it, and I said that my biggest dream for a long time was to fly on the helicopter around Manhattan, but I was too scared to do that. I really have this huge fear of height, but today I decided that I have to face my here for the first time, and I booked a flight around Miami. So I'm super excited about that, super scared. I already feel like my heartbeat is going faster, and I feel like I'm getting scared, but I hope I will be brave enough and I will record this experience and show you back. Hi. Well, he's still here, yes, unfortunately. Still following me everywhere.
Yeah, stalking her.
Yeah.
I'm coming after all her YouTube money. That's why I'm here.
I have a petition to his mom to take him back, but she doesn't want to. So I think I'm stuck with her.
So sad. So sad.
Biggest disappointment of my life.
That's what my mom said as well. So.
Where are you guys coming from?
Originally from Ukraine, but I live in New York now and he lives in Belgium.
Yeah.
Oh, you're Belgium and you're from Ukraine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're both on vacations, I guess.
Yeah.
It's just a small weekend trip.
Yeah.
Somebody's in my vlog again.
Kiss me.
You guys, again.
I'm so sorry. You're just following me everywhere. I'm struggling with myself, you know.
It's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing. Nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood. Until you're feeling like yourself again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe in. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. the only reason that this dress is skin tight is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our sides. Because I want you to like that the only reason I came through tonight is because I really like you. And I can know how
everything will align. No, 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 don't worry about nothing. Oh, it's all gonna be good. Oh, 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 you're really something now. Didn't you know that you could? No, 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 don't worry about nothing. Oh, it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing. Don't worry about nothing, nothing now. It's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you've understood.
Что тут делать надо? Крутая будка. Прекрасно, что
Я буду продать цікаво балкон.
Cause I know sometimes you might fall on your way. Throw your head up, you get down when things don't fall into place. Mad at the world, yeah, I've been there before. Lost and confused and thinking that you can't take anymore. No, 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 don't worry about nothing, oh, it's all gonna be good. Oh, 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 you're really something now, didn't you know that you could? No,
It was such a mistake to come here, like such a mistake.
I have no space at all in my luggage. Like, I have to bring this back to Belgium somehow. Help. Send help.
anxiety, keep on trying me. I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah, my anxiety can't shake it off of me. Somebody's watching.
Cherry.
Strawberry muffin. Thank you.
Oh, wow. Private jet, guys. Thank you so much.
It's a crossbow.
Unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. You could be my butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex scene. The back is a nice tease. I tried to escape.
Try to find you a midnight snack, or you can look inside. Oh, great! All right, what about you? Oh my
Trying to silence me. Anxiety, shake it off of me. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety.
I think this is the most delicious ice cream I've ever tried in my life. We already had like 6 different tastes, and I believe there are some more. I just saw there is another one, so I just grabbed. I feel like this one should be like strawberry or cherry, and this is non-negotiable for me. Some random dude stealing my ice cream. Ще й грязною ложкою.
Разные.
Блять, з мороженим, з ментовим.
Ну и шо?
Змішав мені всі вкуси, вообще. Більш не дам. Oh my god, now I have 2 of them. Jesus. Wow. No, Papa. Oh my god, I'm scared now. Okay, I bought her because she looks like Lisa. Like it is the exact same face. So I bought it for Lisa. Her name is gonna be, well, I mean, I bought it for her so she has me around her when I'm not with her in Norway. So it would be smart to name her Julia. But yeah, we'll see. But Elisa will name her.
It is our last day in Miami today. We're going back to cold New York. So we just came to a random place, random sushi place to have some lunch before our flight. And my friend Lisa is with me. She is following me everywhere. From now on, we're going to have some sushi together.
Transfer here for